Hello, sup everyone, how are you all holding with technology? If not so good, here's something you need to know. This is Bhargav and let's get straight into the video. This is One Audio A3S active noise cancellation headphones available on Amazon for 5,480, but I got it for only 4,432. About it in a bit. As we continue, let's unbox this now. This is how the packaging looks. I expected a little bigger box, but strangely it is quite smaller than what I thought. On the box, you can see the branding and 24 months warranty, that is 2 years with active noise cancellation. Towards the sides, it says the power of music, branding and the logo of their company. Towards the rear, more about the specification and inbox contents. You can pause here and read them if you want to. Opening the box is simple. It does not have any seals. Just slide the box and open it from front. You will see the headphones inside the case, user manual and some cables. Opening it up, you get an aux cable, USB to micro USB cable and an aeroplane pin for those who frequently travel on air. Opening up the bag, we have the headphones themselves. The bag is quite soft and I feel it will last quite long. Removing the plastic cover, we will see the headphones. These headphones can turn completely and should also be swiveled 90 degrees. But in my case, it cannot swivel 90 degrees as you can see. But as you can see, it can fold properly inside and it can also turn properly. So this is how compact you can carry these headphones. It is made up of plastics. And coming to buttons and ports we get on these, towards the right there is LED, power on and off button, volume rockers, more about what the functions will they do in the full review, and aux port. Towards the left, micro USB port, ANC switch which turns green once it turned on. The ear cups are soft and also the clamping force is quite tight. It's not too much, but they're quite tight, and you can also see that it's flexible. So after a couple of days of usage, hopefully by the time I review this one, it should be better. It has a steel ring on the outside to give that shine and good look. The good thing is that the extension is made of metal. That padding is also comfortable. Coming to the price at which I got them, so as I said earlier, it is priced at 5,480. So including the bank discount that we get on Amazon, that is 548. But also for this product, I could see the merchant discount, which is 500. So make sure that you're going to turn on that when you're purchasing, to make sure that you're going to get the maximum discount, and you can get it at just rupees 4,432, which at that price I think is a good one. But I'll hold the statement till the review. This is all for the unboxing of One Audio A3S, guys. As I said, the swiveling is not completely turning to 90 degrees. I have a place for replacement. Once I get the new one, I'll test them out properly. To make sure you do not miss on the very budget-friendly active noise cancellation headphones, make sure to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that next time I upload a new video, you will get notified so that you don't miss out on the review. Do like the video if you like it, and also make sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And also for any queries or very quick updates on technology, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. A link for both of them are in the description. Until the next video, this is Bhargav. See you all.